Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English Speaking. Today we're going shopping with Chloe. Let's learn real English while following her day at the mall.
It was a quiet Saturday afternoon. I had nothing urgent to do. No meetings, no emails, just time for myself. I remembered a dinner coming up next weekend. It's not a fancy one, but I still wanted to look nice, something fresh, something I felt good in. So I grabbed my bag and took the train to the city mall. When I walked through the glass doors, the cool air wrapped around me, soft music played overhead, and the smell of warm pretzels made me smile. I headed straight to the women's clothing section, second floor, just past the makeup counters. Dresses were everywhere, some bright and bold, some soft and simple. I wasn't sure what I wanted yet, but I knew I'd feel it when I saw it. As I touched the fabric on a pale pink dress, someone walked up beside me.
Hi there. Let me know if you're looking for something special today.
Thanks. Actually, I'm looking for a dress. Something elegant but still casual. I have a dinner next week.
Got it. Do you have a color in mind?
I'm thinking soft tones, maybe blush pink or light blue. And I'd like it to be knee length.
Perfect. Let me show you a few pieces. We just got them in this week.
The sales assistant walked with me to a small display near the back. She gently pulled out a light blue dress. It had a soft flow and a delicate neckline. Exactly the kind of thing I had in mind.
This one's been really popular. It's light and comfortable, and it comes in your size. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, it looks lovely. Where are the fitting rooms?
Right this way. I'll take you there.
She handed me the dress and led me past a row of mirrors. The fitting rooms were tucked behind a curtain wall, bright lighting, soft carpet, and a quiet space to try things on. I stepped inside, hung the dress on the hook, and took a breath. The fabric felt smooth between my fingers. I slipped it on, looked at myself in the mirror, and smiled. I like the color. It feels soft, and it's not too tight, but maybe I should see it in better light. I stepped out of the fitting room. The assistant was waiting nearby.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing on you. The color really brings out your eyes.
Thank you. It feels nice too. Do you think it's the right fit?
Absolutely. It hugs the waist just enough. And the length is perfect. You could dress it up with earrings, or keep it casual with flats.
I looked in the mirror again, turned a little to the side. It really did feel like me. I think I like it. Actually, I think I love it. She smiled, and I could already picture myself wearing it to dinner. I stepped back into the fitting room, changed back into my own clothes, and carried the dress carefully in my hands. When I came out, the sales assistant was waiting with a warm smile.
So, how do you feel about the dress?
I love it. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Now I just need a pair of heels to go with it.
Great timing. Our new shoe collection is right over there. Would you like me to show you a few styles?
Yes, something elegant, but not too high. Comfort is important. We walked together to the shoe section. It was full of shiny heels in all colors and heights. She picked up two pairs, one nude, one silver.
This nude pair is a classic. It goes with everything. And the silver one adds a little sparkle. Both are mid-heel. Very comfortable.
They both look nice. Can I try them on?
Of course, what size are you?
7.5. She nodded, walked to the back, and returned with both pairs in my size. I sat down, tried the nude pair first. It slipped on easily. Ooh, this is surprisingly soft. It feels good on my feet. Then I switched to the silver pair. It sparkled under the light, a little flashier, but still tasteful. This one is fun. It pops a bit more, but I'm not sure which one works better with the dress.
The nude is simple and timeless. The silver stands out a bit more. It depends on the look you want.
I looked down at my feet, then back at the dress I was holding. Both could work, and I wasn't ready to decide just yet. I stood for a moment, looking down at both pairs of shoes, one on each foot. It was a funny sight, but it helped me decide. I think I'm going with the silver ones. They feel just as comfy, and I like the extra shine.
Great choice. They really bring out the dress. Let me take those to the counter for you.
I followed her to the front of the store. She hung the dress carefully on a padded hanger, then boxed up the silver heels. The cashier greeted me with a bright smile.
She'll help you with checkout here.
Perfect.
Hi there. Are you getting both the dress and the shoes today?
Yes, they go so well together.
I agree. They're a beautiful match. Your total comes to $180.
I pulled out my card, tapped it on the machine.
Would you like a printed receipt or just email?
Email is fine.
All set. Your items are being wrapped right now.
Thank you. She handed me a glossy shopping bag. Inside were the dress and the heels, folded and wrapped with care. I thanked the assistant again and stepped outside, back into the open space of the mall, feeling light and maybe a little excited for next weekend. I walked through the mall, one hand holding my new shopping bag, the other gently brushing my hair back. People passed by, some with friends, some carrying coffee, everyone going somewhere. And yet, for the first time in a while, I wasn't rushing anywhere. I just felt present. The dress, the shoes, they were more than just things I bought. They were a little gift to myself, a reminder that it's okay to enjoy something small. I stepped outside into the fading afternoon light. The sky was soft and gold, the kind that makes you pause and smile. I took a deep breath and whispered to myself, that was a good day.
Want to review today's words? You can download a free PDF with all the vocabulary, examples, and extra tips. Just check the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English.